Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic Pro 2, What We Know, Part 2 coming up. In Part 1, we looked at Osidalev's tweets, we looked at the fake photo, we looked at his renderings, we looked at the details that he talked about, including the release date, and we also talked about the Autel Evo, their FCC grant, and some statistics regarding DJI sales. We're going to get to some pretty good details here in Part 2 as well. Now, the first thing that I want to tell you is, as of today's date, 3/21/2018, there is no FCC grant date for the DJI Mavic Pro 2. There is nothing out there as of this date. Now, I'm going to put a slide up on the screen. I did quite a bit of research here, and what you're going to see is there's going to, over the last 2 years, the drone, the FCC grant date, the DJI event date, and the day's difference here. First, we have the Mavic Pro. It had an FCC grant date of 9/25/2016 and a DJI event date of 9/27/2016 for a difference of 2 days. The Phantom 4 Pro had an FCC grant date of 10/28/2016 and a DJI event date of 11/15/2016. For a difference of 17 days. The Inspire 2 had an FCC grant date of 11/7/2016 and a DJI event date of 11/15/2016, a difference of 8 days. That Phantom 4 Pro and Inspire 2 were released on the same day. The DJI Spark had an FCC grant date of 5/24/2017 and a DJI event date of 5/24/2017, a difference of 0 days. The Mavic Pro Platinum, it had an FCC grant date of 9/11/2017. Now, it was released at IFA over in Berlin, so it wasn't really technically a DJI event. And it was that event date was 8/31/2017, a difference of -11 days. The Mavic Air had an FCC grant date of 1/23/2018 and a DJI event date of 1/23/2018 for a difference of 0 days. Now, all FCC grant dates are from the FCC, and I'm going to post links in the description for those. And all DJI event dates are from DJI itself, and I'm going to post links for those as well. So, Bill, can you tell us what does all this mean? As you can see, the biggest gap that they had in dates here was the Phantom 4 Pro with 17 days. Most of them are very close. In fact, you saw the Spark and the Mavic Air were at 0 days. The same day that the FCC grant was applied for and approved was the same day that it was released. So, again, Bill, what are we talking about here? DJI plays this very close to the vest, okay? You can bet one of two things. This is going to be, you're going to have one to two things that you're going to know about. DJI is going to leak the event out as they did with the Mavic Air, and you're going to see some type of slide or screen regarding that. Or you're going to know that it has been granted an FCC grant date on the database before that. And with that, with DJI's track record here the past year, the longest there's been any wait has been 17 days. So it's going to be one of those two things that you're going to see. That's going to be the bottom line right here. So I hope you enjoyed this two-part series of what we know regarding the DJI Mavic Pro 2. And if you liked it, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and definitely tell others about our channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone industry and anything that's DJI related. And of course, check out my blog where I do post all my videos. Thanks so much for watching, and happy